Glam Squad, what's up? This is Dalou. Today we are in the bedroom. We're gonna continue with our fall decor series. I hope all of you are doing fantastic, and if you are here for the first time, welcome to the family. I share glam home decor videos, a little bit of cleaning, some DIYs, and a little bit of lifestyle. If you are interested in any of these videos, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so they can let you know once I upload a new video. To you, my fellow Glam Squad, thanks for stopping by today.
And a sparkly shimmer on her skin.
I started with my basic white sheet, and this is the quilted sheet that I have on top of my white sheet. This is for my website. As you can see, it is gorgeous, it is beautiful, it's very high-end. It's an investment piece. Link for it will be in the description box.
Undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand.
This is the duvet cover that I am using. Stay tuned to get more details on it.
Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Scale the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes.
Guys, my camera was dead. I'm done decorating the bedroom. Let me show you what I have and how I set up the bed. Of course, in the back I have my typical white pillows for me to sleep every night. I sleep on white pillow cases, most likely satin pillowcases. You can find these on Amazon or even Temu. Okay, and after that, as you guys can see, I had my quilted sheet, which you guys saw me putting on the bed, and the matching pillow back there. And then after that, I have my very super duper beautiful, oh my goodness, I am in love with these pillows. As you can see, they are doing wonderful here in this bedroom. You guys have seen them downstairs so many times, both in my family room and in my former living room. Now you guys are seeing them in my bedroom. Look at the shine in this thing. They are perfect for the holiday season. So beautiful. And in the back, I have the medium-sized pillow that I bought from a local store a little while ago. Before I get to these pillows, let's talk about the next item that I have. I have this duvet set. It's a beautiful duvet set. I bought it from a local store. I bought it a couple of years ago, and this is my first time using it because you guys know I am selling duvet. Been sitting here, I have to use it, and I am amazed with the details and the beauty on that comforter, you guys. It's a duvet cover, not a comforter. You can see, oh my goodness, it is so beautiful, so gorgeous. Look at the gold, the shine, the details is just so beautiful. I love it. It looks really fluffy and puffy and all. You can see that. However, I did not put the comforter inside the duvet because I always get very lazy to do that. It's one of the tasks that I really don't like to do. So what I do, I just put the comforter, I just lay the comforter down. Right, this is the comforter. Let me show you. You guys know this comforter. You've seen it a bunch of times. Actually, I think it was in my last video. Okay, I put it down, and then I just wrap the comforter around it. So I'm still getting that fluffy, expensive look without having to put the duvet cover inside. I know how to do that. Actually, I even did a tutorial on the channel on how to put the duvet cover in there. I barely do it because I get really lazy. And I don't know if the duvet cover came with 2 pillow cases or just one, but I only see one. So that's why I'm only using one. But I'm sure it would come with 2 because it's a king size. But I only see one. I don't know, because one is doing it. It's fine. It's no problem. And y'all know I like a fluffy comforter to get that extra layer of fluffiness. I also wove another comforter. This is a very light comforter. I love this comforter because I have been doing so much with it. This is a great comforter for the holiday season, just in case if you guys want to grab one. It's very inexpensive. I think I'm selling it for either $55 or $80 on the website, something like that. I don't know, but Christmas is around the corner. As you can see, it is great. When you look at the comforter, you may think that it's not worth it. It's worth buying it because you can do a lot with it. Look how I'm using it. And you guys, I already washed it in the machine. Last time I bought something similar on Amazon, one wash, the gold was gone. This one, I washed it already, and the gold is still there. You know, it's one of those comforter, like, you can get many use of it. Don't let the style and the design fool you. You will get use out of it. And so far, I have been using it a lot, so don't let the style fool you. You will get good use out of it, I promise you. So the link for it will be in the description box. It is from my store. I have the throw for the matching pillows. You guys know this throw. It's my Piper throw, an investment throw. Look how pretty it is. Great piece for the holiday season if you're having gold, or just if you want to have blank. This throw and the pillow will go with any style. And if it does get dirty, you can unzip it and wash it. These are great investment pieces. Accent pillow is this nice little pumpkin pillow. Look at the glam and the shine. It goes perfectly. So I'm doing monochromatic neutral color for the fall on the bed. So glam. I love it. So cute. This was, I think, from Tuesday morning. And then I have a tray. The tray is from my website with a candle, 2 fall glasses. You can see the design on them. Definitely for fall. With a little pampers to block the stem of the pampers. I have this cute little pumpkin. It says grateful on it. So cute. Everything is really cute. Super duper glam pieces. I actually love because it is so me. And this time I did not tuck in the comforter. I let it just sit on the floor because I think it's just so cute. There's no need to tuck it in. I love my bed. Starting in the back, I have some books. Yeah, I know my Coco Chanel book is from Amazon, with a vase from a local store with cute little eucalyptus. These are preserved eucalyptus leaves. They are not full, therefore you cannot manipulate them too much. I have a little tray, bowl, however you want to call it, with some beautiful pumpkin candles. On the other side of the bed, I pretty much have the same thing, except the items are slightly different. A very beautiful glam pumpkin, really beautiful. I have my gold ginger jar. This is the smallest version of my ginger jars. Same lamp. Over here, I have one of my jars with some beautiful eucalyptus leaves. at the bottom is regular. Nothing is on the dresser, just my mirror, a picture frame, and my husband's
thinking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time.
I have one of my trees from Amazon next to the sofa. I thought it looks really cute in the room, definitely giving that fall vibe in the room.
So I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time.
This is the last room I decorated for fall. I have more pumpkins, and these are my favorite pumpkins, so I had to use them. I love this pumpkin. It is so gorgeous, so I have it placed on my coffee table for this area. In the living room, it is an end table. To show a little bit of love to these ornaments, I have these two beautiful pumpkins. Once again, these are my favorite pumpkins. I don't know why I did not use them at the beginning of the season. Fair warning, you guys are going to see them over and over again every single year. This is my sofa from I'm Alive. For my accent pillows, I have two brown leather pillows, and then I have two of my Becca pillows, super duper glam in gold and charcoal. These pillows are available on my website. If you are interested, check them out. And then I have another lumbar pillow. This was a pillow that I bought from a local store with a pumpkin throw. My pumpkin throw is upside down, but you guys get the idea. These are all the ideas that I have for you for a fall bedroom decor. I hope you had found some inspiration. If you have, remember to give it a big thumbs up and share it with a friend. Please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as I upload. Also, I'm gonna be uploading a fall home tour so you guys can see how everything flows together. Also, I have individual video for every single room in the house. If you want to see more of my decor style and ideas, remember to check them in the playlist. That's gonna be at the end of the video. Links for everything that I purchased from Amazon will be in the description box, and also link for my store will be in the description box as well. Thanks to all of you for stopping by. It was a pleasure to be here with you today. I love you always. Bye bye. Mwah.